Dintwana Takasi, they're gonna expose, and they are here
to expose
corruption.
South Africans should start voting for patriotic political parties that are going to make sure that South Africans are prioritized. We must close those borders. Our borders are porous. And I know Mike from BMA has been begging for just a mere 4 billion.
That nonsense and Leona. Let's stop. Mamela, we are not politicians. We are not. It's a consent to South Africa.
Yes.
One told.
And they're willing. And they're willing to even expose the corruption because of now. You guys are deported.
Mamela, ba ruteile ne? Ba ruteile ba kai ba shapadisa le ruteile, but what are you doing ka sia lona? What are you doing to change Masepa Ramaphosa etsang?
There's a way that I want my mama was saying today. Are busy ba but there's no change.
There's no change. Waya. Wankutla gone ke tsa beteri ka rona. Bona re tsona tsa ka sene re tlo etsa daide. Ramaphosa, stop that rubbish we etsang ka wa khawata
le cabinet yao.
And tso tseba gore vele South Africa ra sokola. O re hlupheisitse it's enough. And on top of that, o santse batla qhubeka go hlupheise ka maforeigner gore lahlelang ka ona.
Our president wa palela. President rena e khatla ke dilo tse di snacks. E khatla gore bana ba rena ba tsube drugs, bana ba rena ba skatsana sekolo. And gape re ba ba ntshi mo guys. And re be re nyaka gore at least president a re ikwe. Molaetso o ga botse ke nyaka gore president a o gore a se rena bana ba ga president. Re nyaka gore bana ba rena ba tsene sekolo ba tse go di strategy go di drugs.
Nobody can come to South Africa, a sovereign state that's got its own people that need to be served and governed, and told that those people must be put second because there was something called frontline states many years ago. If those same frontline states are not doing the same to us, if they're saying, then any South African child can go to those frontline states and just be admitted willy-nilly, then it's fine. We can all do the same. If they're saying we can come into those countries, live, hijack buildings, take over their public resources, then I'm very happy. Let's go ahead and celebrate the frontline states. But we can't be celebrating a one-way street where we're the only ones that are compromising ourselves for other people. That must end today.
Oh, Nacho, we say you have a poverty plan. Ke batla e bona. Oh, ho tletsalang ka re ke kwatla bona.
Ramaphosa for now that sona nna ke bone. Okay, ba ne ba ha o nemele ba thabetsa ga foreigners are welcome. Ma South African le robetsi. Le robetsi.
Ma South African.
Some of South Africans ba robetsi and a ke tsibi. Okay, o tshwa ba ne ba celebrate ke ba jang le ma foreign.
Yes. I get bare no ma foreigner one aya sebetsa o tla le South Africa le reng go le South Africa ma foreigner aya sebetsa e guys ma foreigner a sebetsa ya utswa.
We want to protect the future of our children, we want to protect our societies, because lento leyo ukuthi kube negebengu ebulala abantwana ezenza bonke ubudlova. We have to wake up and make sure that we fight that. So we have tasked ourselves to say and watch our country turn into a ruin.
At the drugs, we have level the drugs. Guys, balang dintho tsa lona.
A go jetse need. Our boys long fela so ba affect. Baka se bone. Ba tlhoele ba affect ba tlo bona. Okay, I'm not a Tutula, but I want to be honest with this.
Yes.
Tutula etsa ntho sharp mara ba etsang
ba re ke di vigilantes.
Nache
hona le information e re thotseng they were trying gore ba yetse match. The head of JMPD.
No, they're not supposed to do that.
Because
but let's Ramaphosa.
Because of Hape, they are fighting for a right thing.
Lona uduti henu. Untswemuka ka social media. Tshwetsa ba fela go social media. What are you doing? Tshwetsa ba fela go paparezo on social media. How na le sengcono e etsang?
You know there's a way the ala I insa o teacher center are le busy di-founung tsa lona le tsa di-content. Ha ona mosebetsi, ha tlametse lo lwana di-strateng. Ha le lo lwanela country ya lona le pusha di-content.
ntša ka sheba re tswa kae re tswa Mapetla Soweto re kae Fandara
Re Katleong,
re Katleong la se re latile Jacinta kae
Durban.
we're doing something
Ene le sa tlo go bona ga mafatsheng a mane because of we want to protect our country.
it's not about content it's about changing our country
Thank you.
gore lona le go betseng le phaphame
Thank you.
There's no country efana in South Africa where it's a free for all. Ungene country and you are undocumented, you are already a criminal. But you are catered for. Uthola isikole samahala, ungene clinic ya mahala, uthola umsebenzi, you know. Sabo bani thina la e-country yethu kusho thina sama South Africans. Ama South Africans you are foreigner. So we are tired of this government. Even the GNU yabo ayisenzeli anything. I mean these people bahola mahala, they just increase their salary for what?
Because we are serious about this fight. One way or another, we will continue fighting, but this fight will end one way or another, but it will end with South Africans being put first. That's one thing that I know.
We will continue to fight for this country of ours and make sure we realize a drug-free South Africa. We realize a crime-free South Africa.
Unfortunately, we have a government that doesn't care, leaders who are arrogant and who are not willing to listen to its own citizens. But they're getting salary increase with our tax money. It's an unfortunate part of it.